Hello all. In this video, we are going to discuss about cell cycle. So, cell division, it is the process in which one cell called as the parent cell, it divides to form two new cells referred to as the daughter cells. So, the cell cycle is a repeating series of events that include growth, DNA synthesis, and cell division also. The cell cycle is composed of two major stages, which is interphase and the meiotic M phase. So, moving on to the interphase stage. Interphase is the longest part of the cell cycle where the cell grows and makes a copy of its DNA. It is a period of intense metabolic activity and preparation for division and is divided into three substages like G1 phase, which is also known as first gap, S phase, which is also known as synthesis, and G2 phase, which is also known as second gap. So in G1 phase, that is nothing but in first gap, the cell grows physically larger, duplicates its organelles such as mitochondria and ribosomes, and synthesizes proteins and molecular building blocks uh, it will need in later steps. In S phase, the cell synthesizes a complete identical copy of the DNA in its nucleus. Each chromosome is replicated to produce two identical sister chromats attached at the centromere. The centrosome is also duplicated during this phase. Moving on to the G phase, the cell grows more, produces additional proteins and enzymes required for cell division, and reorganize its contents in preparation for mitosis. A final checkpoint ensures the DNA has been replicated accurately and is not damaged before entering the M phase. Moving on to the M phase. The M phase is when the cell divides its copied DNA and cytoplasm to form two new cells. It consists of two tightly coupled processes which is called as the mitosis and cytokinesis division. So in mitosis division, the nuclear DNA is condensed into visible chromosome and separated into two identical nuclei. So this is how the mitosis division looks like. First, it divides into four main stages. First thing is prophase. Second thing is metaphase. Third thing is anaphase, and the fourth thing is telophase. So in prophase stage, chromosome condense and become more visible. The nuclear envelope breaks down. The mitotic spindle begins to form. And in the second stage, like metaphase, the chromosomes align at the center of the cell. And the third stage, sister chromatids separate and are pulled to opposite ends of the cell. Moving on to the telophase, two nuclear envelopes form around the two set of chromosomes which begin to decondense. So cytokinesis is nothing but cytoplasmic division. The cell's cytoplasm divides and forms two separate daughter cells, which has been given in the diagram. So regulations and checkpoints is nothing but the cell cycle is tightly regulated by a control system with checkpoints that monitor progression and ensure all conditions are met before proceeding the next phase. Key regulatory molecules include cyclins and cyclin dependent kinases whose fluctuating levels and activity direct the cell through the cycle transition. So this is how cell cycle is being denoted. So it's nothing but in G phase the cell gets growth, it gets growth in their protein synthesis or else in their organelle, and their organelle such as ribosome and mitochondria will get duplicated. And moving on to the next thing is nothing but it prepares for the DNA synthesis. And the second stage is nothing but the S phase. In S phase, the DNA will get replicated. The DNA will get replicated and forms the sister chromatids. And moving on to the G2 phase. In G2 phase, the DNA will move into the further growth, and it will get the mitosis and meiosis stages. In mitosis and meiosis stages, it divides into four stages, which is nothing but prophase, anaphase, telophase, and prophase, anaphase, and telophase. So the chromosome condenses and align with the metastic stages. So the chromosomes also break down its nuclear things, and it forms into a two daughter cells. So this is how a cell cycle is being formed. Thank you.